How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today we're at Yokosuka Tower Apartments, or also known as the Towers, here in Yokosuka, ran by Hotel New Yokosuka, which is right across the street. We're going to be taking a room tour of this wonderful building and the rooms they have available. So let's go check it out. All right, we're going to be checking out room 560. To give you a reference, the Hotel New Yokosuka is right back there. So let's head on inside. First, you want to turn the key, and to turn on the lights, put the key in, and the lights turn on. So we're going to start right here from the entry. At the door, we have the evacuation route. Please do not disturb, and please clean the room if you have the laundry service and cleaning. Shoehorn, step ladder. From there, we have our key turn on. We do have the lighting. We have a full washer and dryer combo with detergent available, so make sure that you set it how you like. Everything is broken down here in English because everything else is in Japanese writing. A oven. To the left of the oven and the washer and dryer, we have an induction stove here. As you can see, they do give you pots and pans, cooking board, saran wrap, foil, some utensils, scissors, can opener, a knife. It looks like a hot water maker. Over here you have your rice cooker, another oven, and your coffee pot with another knife, and a sink with soaps, your paper towels, and of course some plates. Awesome. Your fan for cooking. Now we're going to turn around. From here we're going to hit the light button. We're going to walk inside. We have the bathroom, and you can see it is a Japanese style toilet with all its wonderful buttons broken down in English for like heated seat, bidet, stuff like that. Your toilet paper, towels, that's me. Your hair dryer, another towel. They give you a toothbrush here. That's pretty cool. Some cups. You can see the tub here with the shower head. This is a small wand, and you can see it's on bath mode. Great water pressure here. I love the water pressure. And don't forget, they do supply some soaps for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Water here gets very hot, so please be careful with that laundry line if you want to just air dry your clothes. Heading back out of the bathroom. From the bathroom over here to the right, we have another giant mirror. Look at this thing, it's huge. What's up, me? Here is some local restaurants and some places to go, things to do in Yokosuka. Right here is your Wi-Fi router and your password. You can shut the router off and back on if you need to reset it. Here you have a LAN, so if you have your PlayStation, Xbox, computer, a phone to call the lobby, plenty of outlets available, and a large desk, like plenty of room for all your stuff and your coins and everything. Here is the best part of the room right here. This chair is one of the most relaxing and awesome chairs anywhere I've ever been. I love that chair. It fully reclines, it's got a footstool, it's very comfortable, and you fall asleep in it real easy watching TV. From the desk, we're going to turn back around over here to the fridge. A large fridge here. Standard fridge. Oh look, he must have already put one in there. Somebody was not kind enough to let us do the room tour here. We have a freezer and a cold storage for like your fruits and vegetables down there. A microwave. And then this is all storage space with some provided slippers. But lots of storage space. This is what the step-up ladder's for. You have a safe in the room right there, an iron, your little ironing board. More, that's the step-up ladder's for. Then we have, to the left of that, we have dresser drawers for all your clothing, your DVD player, if you still have DVDs. The TV is not the of the fanciest types. It's definitely a little low res right there, but it has lots of channels. We have your remotes, your light switches. There's light switches all over the place. Dominoes, if you're into that. Japanese style dominoes here. The bed is pretty firm. That's a pretty firm bed there. Up here is your ductless heater and air conditioner. Also, there's lighting switches right there and outlets right by your bed. And this room doesn't look like it's on, but usually there's like some under bed lighting. Oh, there it is right there. That's for your, so at night you can have kind of like a night light. Heading out towards the balcony now. Let's see what kind of view we have on the 5th floor. You can see break wall in case of emergency. There is that ductless vent system right there. We got a view of the street down below. And you can smoke on your balcony. There's your ashtray right there. I have stayed at the towers in a previous stay here in Japan, so I'm very familiar with the room, like using the heater options here in the hydro gauge, I guess you'd call it. Let you know what the humidity is, how warm your room is. Here, if you need to get, somebody wants to come up and hang out with you or something, they'll enter your room number, then you'll hit talk, and you can actually open the door from right here. But that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was very informational for you. If it was, please hit that like button. If I didn't cover anything, please leave a comment and let me know if I didn't cover something. Also, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're going to be doing some other room tours coming up very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.